Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this brand new OnePlus Pad 3. This is a Storm Blue, 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB of hard drive. Alright, so right here we have the OnePlus Pad 3. This one here is rocking a 13.2 inch 3.4K LCD 144 Hz display. This is running Snapdragon 8 Elite with a 12 GB of memory, 256 GB of storage. It's rocking a 12,140 milliamp battery with an 80-watt charger. It has 8 speakers, Dolby Atmos. This is super slim at 5.97 millimeters. It is an aluminum body, so this is a powerhouse tablet, very thin and lightweight. So the tablet itself is 8.25 inches high by 11.4 inches wide. The tablet screen itself is 13.2 inches. So you have more than enough of viewing space, whether you're playing games or watching videos. So inside the box, it does give you the charging cable as well as a charging block. This one does not come with a pin, but you can purchase it separately. And in here you get the instructions manual. Below this you get your Type-C to USB charging cable, and then you got your power brick, which is an 80 watt. So this is super fast charging. It charges super quickly. This one offers a 3.4K display, the ultra clear 13.2 inch LCD display at 3.4K resolutions, and you get a massive 144 Hz refresh rate, basically giving you great visuals, vibrant colors, and fluid motion. This is ideal for streaming, gaming, or content creation. So let's go ahead and remove the plastic and turn this on. We'll go ahead and set this up. Alright, so this tablet has already been set up. It's been put into a case protector. You can see the response are very quickly. And then what I'm going to do is after this, I'm going to put in a video so you can see how loud the speakers. You do get very nice speakers. So, and then here they do have their standard apps that are already set up. As far as the speakers, this has a cinematic audio experience. The 8-speaker studio system creates rich room-filling sound with directional clarity that adapts to your holding the tablet. So whether it's landscape or portrait mode, it sounds just nice. So let's go ahead and tap on YouTube and let's go into one of my videos so you can actually hear what the speakers sound like. So we're just going to go ahead, since I'm doing a OnePlus tablet, let's go ahead and click on the OnePlus phone. We're going to wait for this to load, and then I'll go ahead and turn it on so you guys can actually hear the speakers. Oh, stay tuned. All right, so we got the OnePlus 8 Pro. I've got it delivered by FedEx. It only takes about 2 days when I ordered it from OnePlus directly. So let's unpackage this. This box is a little bit bigger than the... All right, so now let's go ahead and check on a short so you can hear that. We're just going to go ahead and do one of my other videos. We're going to find one. Let's go ahead and try the AirPods. Okay, so now let's go back into the app. This one does come with Gemini. It's an app that you can go ahead and ask questions much like Siri or Alexa. So I'm just going to go over to the app. It's right here at the top. So we're going to click onto that one and see what it can do, what it offers. So wait for that to load. It says get to know your Gemini AI assistant. So it's basically like any other device. This one does come with that as the AI. You can see that the camera's here at the back. And then we'll go into the settings. Into the settings, we are going to check the battery mode. So as you can see, you can either use it in portrait or landscape mode. So it doesn't matter which mode you use it in. They've got speakers here at the bottom and at the top. And then if you go in the landscape mode, you can see the camera right here at the top. So now we're going to just scroll down into the battery. So we're going to go all the way down and it'll say battery. Click on the battery button. So when you go here, you have settings that you can set. So we'll tap on the battery. So this is right out of the box, 47%, basically can last about 15 hours and 55 minutes. You do have battery mode, battery health, and power saving. So we're going to go into power saving. You got smart charging, charging limit, so you can charge it to a certain limit if you want. So let's go back out. Let's go into the power saving settings. So in here you have automatically exit power saving mode, enter power saving mode, sleep standby, start power savings. So there's other options if you want to do power saving mode. If you're looking for a nice tablet that is a massive tablet that gives you all the benefits at the lower price, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one's definitely an iPad killer.